Robbie Moore, and I'm the State Secretary of HACSU. Well, the State Secretary is responsible for the overall running of the union day to day, but there's lots of different things that involves. We have, obviously both public and private sector members, so some of it can be negotiating agreements, while at other times it's going out, doing membership meetings, doing media interviews. I've been at HACSU for nearly 21 years. Prior to working for HACSU, I was a HACSU member. I was a disability support worker at Multicap Day Service on the northwest coast or in Burnie. And I did that work for about 3 years and got involved in the union and became a union delegate. It was something that I did a vet program at school, vocational education training program, where we went out and did some placements in disability services, and I really enjoyed the work. And then when I first left, finished year 12, I went to the UK and did that sort of work for 12 months, and then came back here and thoroughly enjoyed it and really found the work very rewarding. I enjoy it. I've always want to fight against injustice, and usually these are the people who are making unfair decisions. So taking up a battle on behalf of others is something that I really thoroughly enjoy. We've had some fantastic victories over the years. I remember the first one I organised was attendance at the Northwest Regional Hospital. They were having to do security duties, whereas at the other hospitals they had security guards. So we ran a campaign to get 24-hour security, and the members took significant action and got a really good win. I've been involved in other significant events. One that stands out is in disability services. When I first started, when you were doing sleepovers, you only got $21. And we ran a really successful campaign over a few years where we were able to increase that by more than 3 times that amount, plus get a over 5% wage increase at the same time. So been involved in quite a lot of campaigns and really enjoyed them, and there's certainly been some highlights in some of those as well. Yeah, look, that was a huge battle. We were taking on a CEO who was just trying to take away conditions. In this case, it was paid meal breaks from the workers. They were, using tactics that you just wouldn't expect in this industry against us, and the workers stepped forward, took action, and won. And that was a fantastic battle that ended up seeing that CEO move on, and the organisation is so much better for that. Yeah, look, we've got a fantastic team here, both staff, but our delegates who are so important. And everyone goes above and beyond, and that's why we are growing, and that's why, we've just passed 11,000 members, which is fantastic. But we're still, we're not stopping there. The more members we have, the more power we have, and we're going to keep fighting to make sure that workers right across health and community services are getting the best possible outcomes for their work. I have a few activities. I really enjoy sport. Unfortunately, I'm not participating as much these days, although I'm just starting to get hopefully back into some tennis. But I love going to watch football. I love cricket as well. Yeah, that's right. I the only time I ever got promoted in my cricket career, and I went up to B grade, and I said to the captain, why that? It's not like I'm getting many runs or wickets or anything. He said, oh no, it's just your sledging. So yeah, that was my contribution in a cricket field. Couldn't bat or bowl, but didn't mind sledging.